Alright, let's do pre-college algebra 111 for 2021-2022. I am Professor Alfredo Gil Olivares Jr. Alright, let's start this. Let me get my pen here. Got it. Alright, so now let's start this. The action here. So, divide by synthetic division. So, here's a problem. So we're going to go x cubed right there. Now bring the opposite of this. It's 3. You have 1, negative 8. No, 1, positive 8, negative 9, 2. Bring the 1 down. That turns out as 3. 3 and that's 11. And 3 times 11 is 33. 33 minus that is 24. It's going to be 72. And that's going to be 74. So now what's left over here after synthetic division, it was x cubed. Now it's going to be a 1x squared plus 11x plus 24 plus 74 x minus 3, which is what you divided by. Always the opposite goes from here. Using synthetic division. Hey, Margie's great boss, great food, open 24 hours. 24 hours. Alright, so now, let's go to the next question. And we're doing part 3, 61 through 90. Now, another one. I'll simplify this. So I'm going to factor out the x from the top. Numerator and denominator, I'm going to do that. So x times that is x squared, x times that is 2x. And on the bottom, or the denominator, we have 5 times that is 5x, 5 times is 10. So this is going to be, now notice, hey, x plus 2 are the same. Cancel them out. What's left over is x over 5. Add these numbers. Well, the fractions are the same. Same denominators, see? So we can put them as one big fraction, x plus 1 plus x plus 3x minus 2 over x minus 2, because they're the same fraction. One is one fraction. Take those parentheses off. Now we have to add stuff. This is x and that. So just rewrite it. 1x plus 3x is 4x, and 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So 4x minus 1 over x minus 2. The square root of 150. Okay, let's do this first. Prime numbers, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, so on. Start with 2 divides this, 75. 3 divides this, 25. 5 divides this, 5. 5 divides this, 5. So we have 2, 3, 5, 5. So 2 times 3 times 5 times 5. Or this is 6 times 25. Or we can reverse this, inverse it, or commutative property. So 25 times 6, 6 times the same thing. So now we can substitute this for the 150. Go back up to the problem. So 150, we can substitute 25 times 6 and break it into 6 square root of 25, square root of 6. And square root of 25 is 5, so it's going to be 5 square root of 6. Using our prime numbers to break it. The fifth root of x is 15, y 10. So all we're going to do is divide the powers. This 5 right here. 5 divides 15, 5 divides 10. So this is going to be x to the 15 over 5, which is x to the 3. And that's going to be y to the 2. Oh, another one. Simplify this. Prime numbers again. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. 2 divides this, 256. 2 divides 256, 128. 2 divides 128, 64. 2 divides 64, 32. 2 divides 32, 16. 2 divides 16, 8. 2 divides 8, 4. 2 divides 4, 2. 2 divides 2, 1. Or we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 to the 9th power. So, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now rewrite it. 2 to the 9th is 2 to the 8th, 2 to the 1 power. X to the 9 is x to the 8, x to the 1 power, and y twice again. So that it can be divided by 4. 4 divides this, yes. So now we have this outside, 2 to the 8 over 4, x to the 8 over 4, and y to the 12 over 4. Now left over is this inside. So now divide these numbers. We have 2 to the 2nd power, x squared, y 3. 4th power of this is just 2x. And 2 squared means 2 times 2, which is 4. So we have 4x squared y cubed, 4th root of 2x only. Alright, using the prime numbers again, of course. Oh, what's this number? Whole number, 9 to the 3 half power. Prime numbers, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 again. So 3 goes by that, 3. 3 by 3, 1. So 3 times 3 is 9. Or we can say that 3 squared. Go back over here, rewrite it. 3 squared. So 3 to the power of 2 or 2 over 1. Now multiply across, straight across. So 3 to that times that's going to be 3 times 2, 2 times 1, but 2's can cancel. So we have 3 over 1, which is 3. 3 to the 3 power. That means 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. That's the answer. To a negative power. Let's rewrite this. 27, prime numbers again. So 3 divides this, 3 divides that. 29, 3 divides 9, 3. 3 divides 3, 1. 27 is 3 times 3 times 3, or 3 to the 3 power. Put it back up here. So 3 to the 3 power times this number. 3 over 1 times that. So now we can cancel the 3. See the 3 right here? They're going to go away. What's left over is negative 4 over 1. So 3 to negative 4 over 1, or 3 to negative 4. Rewrite this with a positive exponent. So 1 over 3 to the 4 power. See it? And 3 times 3 to 4 power means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So 1 over 3 times 3 is 9. 3 is 27. 3 is 81. So 1 over 81. Holy cow. 3 of them. X is 3/5, 1/4. So LCD. Let's find the LCD first. 5 divides 5 ones. 2 divides that 2. 2 divides 1. 3 divides, that's it. So 5 is 5. 4 is 2, 2. 3 is 3. So we have the most. Let's see. We have 2, 2. And a 3 and a 5. 2, 2, 3, 5. So we have 2 times 2 is 4. Times 3 is 12. Times 5 is 60. So 60 is what we need. All these fractions have to have 60 as a denominator. So fix it. 12 over 12 times this. So let's make that. 15 times that, 15 times that, and 20, 20. So right here we're going to have 36 over 60, 15 over 60, and negative 20 over 60. Now they have the same denominators. Now guess what? We can put it together as one big fraction. X to the 36 over 60 plus 15 over 60 minus 20 over 60. All these right here together, putting one big fraction, 60, 36 plus 15 minus 20. And this is going to give you, that one now is 51 minus that, and that's going to be 31 over 60. X to the 31 over 60. Alright, next one. Solve. Well, x minus 2 times 4x plus 7 equals 0. First one equals 0, or the second one equals 0, because 0 times 0 is 0. So x minus 2, add 2 to both sides. Notice these canceled. And these are going to cancel too. But what do you notice that you have is cancel out x equals 2. Or over here, minus 7 plus 7 minus 7 goes away. So 4x equals negative 7 divided by 4. These cancel. So we have x equals negative 7 over 4. So x equals 2, or x equals negative 7 over 4. Yeah, negative 7 over 4. That's it. Factor this. Just factor, that's all. First number is 2 times 1, and 15, 1, 3, 5. So now we have, this is the answer, I think. Let's check it. 2w times w is 2w squared. That times that is minus 3, 6w. That times that is 5w. And that times that is minus 15. So 2w squared minus 1w plus minus 15. Is that right? Yep. And minus 1, you can just write it as 2w squared minus w minus 15. That's it. Yep, that works great. Alright, solve this linear equation. Well, add 2 to both sides first. So now we have 3x equals 12. Divide by 3, so x equals 4. So solve this linear equation. X is 4. Oh, another linear equation. So let's solve this. 1/2 equals this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and rewrite it as 1x over 2, that's 7 over 4, and cross multiply this. So that's going to be 1x times that, 2 times 7. So that's going to be 4x equals 14, divided by 4, but now we have 14 over 4, which is the same thing as saying 2 times 7, 2 times 2. So then guess what? These go away. So what's left over is x is 7 over 2. For this linear equation. Oh, another linear equation. Let's get rid of the minus 5 and minus 5. These are gone. So negative x equals 5x plus 24. So now we have negative x equals 5x plus 24. Minus 5x and minus 5x both sides. And now we have x is on the left side. So -1, -5, -6 equals 24. Divide by -6, divide by -6. So x is a what? -4. Positive by negative is a negative. Solving that linear equation. Well, another linear equation. That's fine. Distribute this out. PEM this. So multiply parentheses first. 3 times that is 15. 3 times that is 9x. That's 28x. And that's going to be -40. 15x, 9x, 28x, -40. Now, at minus 15 to both sides. So these are gone. 9x equals 8x minus 55. And get rid of the 8x now. Minus 8x minus 8x. So 9x minus 8x is 1x equals -55. And 1x is just x. So x equals what? -55. Another linear equation. Just solve it. So negative of positive is negative. Negative of positive is negative. So we write this. Okay, copy this. This one, 7x minus 9x, -2x minus 8x, 8 equals that. -2x minus 8 equals 7x minus 26. Add 8, these are gone. So -2x equals 7x minus 18. Now we have minus 7x, these are gone. So minus 9x equals -18. Divide by -9, divide by -9. So x must be a positive 2. Negative by negative is a positive 2. This one, another linear equation. But let's get rid of the fractions first. LCD is 9. Because 3, 1, and 9. So 9, 9, 9, 9, all the way across. So now, is that going to do it? I say yes. 3 divides 9, 3. 1 divides 9, 9. And 9 divides 9, 1. So this is going to be 3x minus 36 equals 4x. Add 36 to both sides. These are gone. 3x equals 4x plus 36. Minus 4x minus 4x. So 3x minus 4x is -1x. It's 36. Divide by -1, divide by -1. So x is a positive by negative is a -36. Oh, another linear equation. It's decimals. It's okay. So we're going to subtract -0.3, 0.3t, -0.3t. These are gone. So we have this together. It's going to be -0.1t equals that. Divide by -0.1, divide by -0.1, and we know these are gone. Boom. They're out of here. But what's left over is a -5. Another linear equation. No, not really. Let's multiply by y. Y is the LCD. So y. So y divides y once, y divides y once, and 1 divides y, 1y. So that's going to be 24 plus 16 equals 5y. That's going to be 40 equals 5y. Divide by 5, so 8 equals y. I don't know what this is. We'll just solve it. Let's fold this out. So this would be x squared minus 4x plus 10x minus 40. This one, write it down twice. X plus 2, x plus 2. That's good right there. Now, this right here is going to be x squared plus 6x minus 40 here. X squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 4, which is going to be x squared plus 4x plus 4. We have this. Now, x squared minus x squared, these are gone. So now we have a linear equation left over. So now, add 40, both sides. So now we have 6x equals 4x plus 44. Minus 4x, and we know that these are going to be gone. So what's left over is 2x is 44, divided by 2, so x must be what? 22. Okay. Oh, another complicated looking thing. Alright, let's multiply it out. So z to the 1 times that is z to the 1 plus 4, so z to 5, and z to the 1. This one's, copy it. Now, z5, subtract it. Hey, they're gone, so guess what? They got z equals 6. That's it. We're done. Alright. That was good. Solve this one. Let's do it by factoring. So we're going to go minus 36x minus 36 to both sides. So that's going to be a 0. So x squared minus 36x equals this. Take x out. Greatest common factor. So x and z is x squared. X and z is minus 36. X equals 0 or this one equals 0. That's done. Add 36, so x is 36. So 0 and 36. 0, 36 the answer. This one. Factor out the x squared first. You have x minus 18. So x squared equals 0 or x minus 18 equals 0. Well, Square root of this, square root of this, square root of x, square root of x, and that's going to be 0. Done. And this one, plus 18, so x is 18. So x is 0, 18. X is 0 or x is 18. This one. This is cross multiply. So we have two fractions, right? So let's go. So this one times 5, and that one times 2. Cross like this. Cross multiply. So 5 times that is 5x, 5 times 2 is 10. 2 times that is 6x, 2 times that is negative 8. So now we have minus 10 both sides. These are gone. Let's see what we have. Goes away, but these are still there. So you have 5x equals 6x minus 18. Minus 6x minus 6x. So you have negative 1x equals negative 18. Now we need to divide both sides by what? By negative 1, negative 1. So x is a 18, positive 18. Negative by negative is a positive. Another one. LCD. It's going to be x minus 5x plus 6. The LCD for all these. Multiply everything by LCD. This right here. X minus 5x plus 6. X minus 5x plus 6. X minus 5x plus 6. So let's see what happens. So this x minus 5 cancels. This x plus 6 cancels. And now both of these cancel both of these. So now what's left over? We have 5 times x plus 6 left over equals negative 3 times x minus 5 left over plus 23 only. So this is going to be 5x plus 30, negative 3x plus 15. Copy it. So now put these together. That's 38. So now we have 5x plus 30 equals negative 38, 3x plus 38. Minus 30, both sides. So now I have 5x equals negative 3x plus 8. Add 3x to both sides. So we have 8x equals 8. Divide by 8, divide by 8. And guess what? These are gone. Boom. And what's left over? X equals what? 8. This one. Solve it. Let's take out the x from this. X times that is x cubed. X times that is 5x squared. That times that is negative 24x. So we have possible numbers for 20. I'm going to take 3, 8. But negative 3 and 8. Is that right? Let's check it. Negative 3 times 8 is negative 24. Yes. 8 minus 3 is 5. Yes. And x times x is x squared. So x times this. So it's going to be x equals 0. X minus 3 equals 0. X plus 8 equals 0. So x equals 0. X minus 3 equals 0. Add 3 to both sides. And we know these are gone. Boom. Out of here, buddies. So x equals 3. And minus 8. These are gone. Out of here. So now we have x is 0, x is 3, x is negative 8. You have 3 answers. 3. Okay. 0, 3, negative 8. 0, 3, negative 8. How do you solve this guy? Let's see. So I guess we have to square both sides. Let's square the left side or the right side. This one squared, square root of 7x minus 3 squared is just that. 7x minus 3. 5 squared means 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25, so you have 7x minus 3 equals 25. Add 3, add 3. So we have 7x is 28, divided by 7, divided by 7. So x must be 4. Check it. Does it work? Put in the original problem. 7x minus 3, 7 times 4 is 28 minus 3 is 25. Square root of 25 is 5. Does that match the other side? 5 is 5. Good. It does work. You check it. Holy cow. 88. So it's lots of steps. So first we're going to get at minus 3 both sides. So now we have square root of 5x minus 1 equals x minus 3. Now we can square both sides. And then this one squared is gone. It's just this. For this one, x minus 3, x minus 3. Copy this. X times x squared. X times minus 3x plus 9. So there. Then you have x squared minus 6x plus 9. And now we're going to go bring all this to this side. So positive becomes negative. Negative becomes positive right here. See them? There. Put them together. X squared minus 11x plus 10. X squared minus 11x plus 10. This is going to factor into 1 and 10. Is that right? Let's see. Possible numbers 1, 10, 2, 5. Yep. Negative 10, negative is positive 10. Negative 10, negative 1 is negative 11. So now we have x minus 1 is 0. X minus 10 is 0. Well, let's check this. Because you go plus 1, x is 1. Oh, here, plus 10, plus 10, x is 10. Yes, and these do cancel. You're right. Now, try x equals 1. And in the original problem, so 5 times 1 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. But the other side is 1. No, bad. That doesn't work. So 1 does not work. Now the other one. How about the other one? Try 10. 5 times 10 minus 1. 5 times 10 is 50. Minus 1 is 49. Square root of 49 is 7. 3 and 7 is 10. Does that match? 10, 10, 10, 10. Yep, that works. So the answer is just the 10. Just the 10. That's the only one that worked. Solve for R. R's down here. So I'm going to set it up and cross multiply this. So that times that, that times that. FR equals MV squared. Divided by F, divided by F, so F goes away. So you have R equals MV squared over big F. That's it. Solve it. This one. I guess we will multiply LCD, which happens to be 6 and 10. And let's see. Here's a little crinkle here. Let's fix it. Alright, so 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. 2 divides this, 3 divides that, 1. 2 divides that, 5. 5 divides that, 1. So 2 times 3, 2 times 5 is that, 6 and 10. And 2 times 3 times 5 must be the LCD, which is 2 times 3 is 6, times 5 is 30. So multiply everything by what? 30, 30, 30, all the way across. So now, 30 times this one, 6 divides 35, 10 divides 33, 1 divides that, 30, 5x minus 3x, 30. And 5x minus 3x is 2x, equals 30. Divided by 2, divided by 2, so x must be 15. Alright, number 90. Okay. Holy cow, that's it. That's the question. Smart Bird says, math is fun. I say, yes, math is always fun. Always, always fun. You know how to do it? It's always fun. Fractions, how to add them, you know, it's fun. Manipulatives and stuff. Okay. Oh, the surfboard with all the cool decorations on it. Oh, there's no ocean there. Surfboard. It's looking cool, man. Oh, broken surfboard, man. Well, piece of his surfboard everywhere in the ocean here. Here's his Y and stuff. Looking down, he's looking down at the ocean. There it is, looking for his piece of his surfboard. Hair, looking down, arms, his legs, he's walking to the water. Piece of surfboard, there's one. And this Smart Bird's there again. See him right there in the front? Right there. There he is. Smart Bird. Math Shark, the name of the surfboard that got busted, broken up pieces. All Hawaiian stuff, the Hawaiian guy, the water. And good luck, Hawaiian guy. Hopefully you find your stuff, all your pieces of your board. And then, oh, Math Monster. Oh my gosh. Math is fun. Yes or no? Yes or no? I say yes. Math is fun. Math Monster said yes. Math is fun. Holy cow. More scary than math. Pre-college algebra. 111, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Holy cow. More. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And let's see. 34, 7, 7. There's the 2 sevens right there. Alright. That's the end of pre-college algebra. 111, 111 for 2021, 2022. Part 3, 61 through 90. Good luck. I'm Professor Alfredo Gil Jr. And I'll do the next part in a little bit. Thank you. Good luck on your test.